हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टेनो एस्पिरेंट्स। आज हम डिक्टेशन करेंगे 500 वर्ड्स की। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिक्टेशन इन 5 सेकेंड्स। Newspapers are one of the most important documents. They can be said to be the powerhouse of information. Moreover, they offer us other benefits as well, which helps us in our lives. You become better informed through newspaper reading and it also broadens your perspective. However, newspaper reading is becoming a dying habit. As the world is moving towards digitalization, no one really reads the newspaper. The readership is maintained mostly because of the older generations only. Newspaper reading is one of the most beneficial habits. It helps us get acquainted with the current affairs of the world. We get to know about the latest happenings through a reliable source. Similarly, we also get an insight into the different domains including politics, cinema, business, sports, and many more. Furthermore, newspaper reading also results in opening doors to new employment opportunities. Reliable companies post their ads in the newspaper for business and employment opportunities. So we see how it is a good place to seek jobs. Furthermore, we can easily promote our brands and products with the help of newspapers. The consumers learn about the latest deals and launch which connects them to businesses. Most importantly, it also provides the vocabulary and grammar of a person. You can learn new words and rectify your grammar through newspaper reading. In addition, a person who reads a newspaper can speak fluently on various topics. They can socialize better as they are well aware of the most common topics. Similarly, it also saves us from getting bored. You won't need any company if you have a newspaper in hand. Unfortunately, despite having so many benefits, newspaper reading is becoming a dying habit. As people are getting instant updates on their mobile phones and computer systems, they barely read the newspaper. Moreover, electronic gadgets are more convenient for them, so they don't bother to pick up the newspaper. Moreover, we see that everything has become very convenient and instant now. You can learn about what is happening in the other part of the world as it is taking place. People do not wait for newspapers anymore as they feel it only states what they have already been informed about. In addition, they do not wait for the next day to read the newspaper about current affairs as they get it instantly thanks to the internet. Most importantly, people are themselves running out of the habit of reading itself. Everything has become so visual now that no one bothers to read newspapers, books, novels, or more. The internet has made it worse as now there is a video for everything. People won't mind watching a 5-minute video, but will, however, not prefer to read a 5-minute long article. It just shows how we are becoming so inactive and lazy. We must not let this become a dying habit as newspapers are very reliable sources of news. In the absence of these, there will be hardly anyone left to verify the data and information we are being fed. स्टॉप। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में होगा, सो स्टे ट्यून। थैंक यू।